If there is no key blank in stock, we have to use a piece of copper to get key blank. Generate key type, laser key blank, and search the key blank what you need. Click HU101. It will show the super key blank. Select the correct one and install it on the machine. If gets ready, click Continue. Finish the cutting of both sides. Key blank is alright. Right now, we can use this key blank to cut a new key. Let's cut a new key by this key blank. Cut by beating. Search the key HU101. Click this key. Standard key. It will show the guiding picture. Install the original key. Pay attention. This key is special. It must exceed the first line. Identify. Continue. Check the key beating with the original key. Install this key blank on the machine. Pay more attention. Exceed the first line. Click Cut. Continue. Finish cutting both sides. Clean the particles. Perfect cutting. Have a try. Turn the lock.